teli kawai ka jingmun haka VPP alingin ai kabum Parti blaseng da kiriu stat riu simpang Parti batrai hok ya ubabun balang Kiwai laki ben laki kento harukom Kiwanda wadong kumno ban yo ben pulom Hendrei VPP la kakam kayai trei Halengkan kajing duai kerpana ublei
This should be the slogan for the entire state, no? Please a complete trust in God. And we are trying our best to ensure that whatever we do is for the glory of God. As most of you, if not all, must be aware of the fact that I have been visiting Garo Hills frequently in the last 2 to 3 years. And some people, they are wondering how this burden keeps coming, but without establishing his party in Garo Hills. They fail to understand why he is not establishing his party in Garo Hills. Because we feel that we should not rush in constituting our units in Garo Hills unless we see that those people who would like to join the party are fully subscribed to the philosophy, the ideology, and the belief of the party. Because the Voice of the People Party is not just another political party. We have made it very clear the day we announced to float this party that the Voice of the People Party is going to be a party with a difference. It is not only a party where our aim and objective is to contest election and win election only. It is going to be a movement where we will bring about a change in Meghalaya, especially a political change. That we will get the number to form the government from Khasi Giant Hills. Our frequent visit to Garo Hills does not imply that we badly want to be in the government. No. We want that our brothers, our Achik brothers and sisters, should also get the chance to know what is the aims, objectives and goal of the Voice of the People Party, because it is going to benefit them also. If we are in the government, we may not have representation from Garo Hills, but we are not going to leave this part of the state because we are, called to serve the state of Meghalaya, not to serve a particular community like the Khasi community only. So, which is why we want that you, our Achik brothers and sisters, should understand this. So if you understand this, what is your duty? Don't you think that it is your duty to join hand with us? Don't you think that it is your job to strengthen the party, to work? Because the Voice of the People Party is here to offer protection and benefits for the people of the state and the people of this region also.
Kalong hi kadon ka jing shisha ka makraw ba kadon ka jing trang jong ki pai ba ha Garo Hills ba ka Voice of the People Party kan yar sa Garo Hills ban penrung dekot ban sengi kena ka party shanish po Garo Hills. Te kum ginong alam ngilawan her bonsin bat ngilayo ban ikindo iki bobon ba kibriu akaling-kaling ke district bat ngilai ke jing slop ya ka jingai linti ka daw ka bala palongi bangin sengi ka party ka thong ka jing thumu ka jing bakanong rim ka jing te kum bakalong manta kalong ka basmutnat bangin tip ba kata ka jing trang ka jong ki neki riurang ba ki pai ba jong Garo Hills kala Pyniar bakalong ka ba scam namar ngila lum iki ngila pawan bat ngila tenjo iki haduk anu kadon kata kajing angnut bat mentak si kala don ke je kundo bania slok hadin bangila yo bania slok ki por ki menchwa bat nagawi ka jingmut kila rai bakin sangno kirki ya kani ka parti ka jing bat dena kata kata hukum kinong alam ngila mencur bangin bo shwaya ka Adhok Committee hai bade ka Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party Kenang bagani ke Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kan sedang ban lom ban lang ban yeslok ikibreu ban ai ke jing pensyai jing pensoso kani kami namar kaladon ke jing trang bat ke jing angnut bangin hab ban sedang no ye kani ka kam Shapoh Garo Hills ban ni smutu habangi don sini Shapoh Garo Hills kat habangi kendo la kalong ki rong ba la kalong ki riu don prom kila pen pau shahi ba kom bakalong hi kan de sang Voice of the People Party ka kabarlong kata ka alternative mo wei pat kalah nakam taki nongshong snong ha ka jila Meghalaya bakinyo ya ka sarkar kabaron ka jing sokhya nam ta jiki pai ba te nilala ban seng ni ka Adhok Committee jong ka Garo Hills zone jong ka Voice of the People Party mata ka si pat ka basngutat kalong bakidon ukiri rong ba jong ka hangni Shapoh Garo Hills kibalong ki nongelam kibri ki senior citizens in kibadon ha ka kam SaindurLawei kiba lakloiru banlong ki nong ai jimut ki nong ye betinlinti ya kani ka Adhok Committee khnang bangila banwan ra pat ya ka ta ka district committee ka ba khlan ha kani ka dong ka thai bat sikiwi pa ki district te kata ka ka khubor ka bang ban pau bar na smo ban aingu ible na maka ti ka jong u bar ka jinga linti ka jingi ka ba ngi yo ban mat sa ya kani pat ka cap jong ka jing job ha ka jinga linti jingi bangila ban sing ban lum ya ki rangba ya ki samla ki pen pau shisha ba kumba kalau manta kim don shu da ka wei pat ka jing prakhat na ni ka jing arti ni ka Voice of the People Party nei ban i ba ka ri tang ni ka party ka ban yeng nam ta jingi ki try